Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Mobile app test automation versus manual mobile app testing. Both manual testing and test automation have their place in the mobile app testing space, as they both have their own benefits. With automation helping developers look at pure functionality and manual tests providing greater insight into the way that the user feels with an application, in many cases a hybrid approach is ideal. You balance the flaws of one system with the benefits of another, leading to a better testing regime at the end of the process. Ultimately, it isn't a question of automation versus manual, but establishing how a quality assurance team can combine the two into one coherent system. With this in mind, automation does have a large role in mobile app testing, especially when considering live service. Apps that deal with the strain of thousands of users on live servers at any one time require bulk testing that manual tests struggle with, making automation a cornerstone of ensuring that mobile testing works as clients expect. A further case can be made for automating Android devices more than iOS alternatives, as there is a much wider range of devices functioning on Android, and testing these manually can be extremely time-consuming. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.